Welcome back, guys, to CryptoFly channel. Today I would like to show just a local idea for the Starknet. This idea later I will post on TradingView, so we'll come back and double check if this idea correct or wrong. We can't know the future, but we have to build a plan. First of all, guys, I think we'll go lower. Yes, globally I'm bullish, because I'm bullish for altcoin season, but not in that form like everybody waiting some super cycle for the altcoins. Not some altcoins, I repeat again, some altcoins will perform, some altcoins will hit the new all-time high, and I guess 80% or 90% will never hit the new all-time high again, and we need to build the conservative price targets. That's why, guys, all of these tokens which listed during 2022, 2025, they got a pretty huge unlocks. And it's almost impossible to reach with this current circulatory supply that gains what we could reach if there was no unlocks or some vested shadow from the multi accounts who use that test nets, or some retro drops or some farming, points farming. So unfortunately, guys, my targets for Starknet is this one. 44, this is my alert to out of the break even. I already explained it to you. I'm stuck in Starknet. I could out in a profit, 100%. I made a mistake. I'm not out at, and not withdraw initial deposit, so I'm stuck in it. That's why I add alerts to out, trying to out if I get a chance to out at the break even. What's the point to out at a break even? Personally for me, because my break even target, it's for someone who catch the nice October 10 will be 1.5K% gains. So logically, no makes sense to wait some gains for the Starknet from my entry if someone already will be in profit, and that's my entry 1.5K. Of course, the smart guys, they will fix some profit. And I don't want to be exit liquidity again. I try to save my stable coins and use them for some another tokens or just speculate with the futures. So that's my plan. Of course, you can hold for a long run. Technically, I believe the Starknet can reach 57, 87, $1.08. Crazy scenario, $2.28, $2.44. This one. Also, for someone, it's not logic to outer break even if I wait this target, but guys, in most crazy scenario, bullish scenario, for me personally, it's 435% potential gains, but with the risk drop down again 50%. So no makes sense. And for the guys who accumulated here, they will be in a craziness profit. That's why I build my plan to outer break even. And if the Starknet will go to the $5, I will don't care because my entry not that good. So my entry can't be the good one. It's 44 cents, 45 cents, and the token dump it to $2. What I don't like, we didn't close up the 50% of this week. So I mark the daily week. Let's hide the take profit, and I mark this block like potential continuation drop after today Federal Reserve decision about the rates. Now, I think they will cut the rates, but I think we will see something like this. We can bounce to 16 cents and after that drop it down in the next 5 days. I can be absolutely wrong. I just add my alerts, maybe catch some futures trade. I don't think so. We'll drop down on the 2 cents or 3 cents. So this is my zone for maybe I will try to open long position with the second or third leverage. Take a look how the price respect the level. We leave the monthly gap and spike to close 50% of that gap. Nice. So anyway, we didn't drop and didn't close this 50% of the week. Done. Let's hide this FIB. I will share this idea for sure on TradingView, so we'll come back to this idea later. So I would like to show you the take profits here. Buy line now on the daily time frame, 9 cents 19. For my value, it's 6 cents 85. So around 0.5 level FIB. Got it. Weekly time frame, we saw underrated. That's why take a look. The take profit line on the weekly now, it's 54 cents 77 at this current moment. December 10, but in January it can be around like 45 cents, for example. So it will be one more time logical exit and fixation the profit. Got it. 12 time frame also, we didn't test the buy line, and usually we come back and test it. So 9 cents 55, fundamental value it's 7 cents 12. So most likely we're gonna drop to this one and maybe even to fundamental value of the Starknet on daily and the 12 time frame levels. ADZ 12 time frame, nothing. Neutral, not bullish, not bearish. Daily, bullish. So time to buy, accumulate some position in spot or futures based on ADZ indicator. It was here in August at 10 cents 79. Here was time of fixation. 1, 2, logical over-saturated zone on a daily time frame. Now we're in the middle. So we almost at the same level like it was in August, but like you can see, totally different metrics. And that's why indicators show not just random stuff. Daily, some accumulation was here. Now nothing. Same levels by price, different data by indicators. On 12 time frame, some accumulation, but it's not what we're looking for. And also here's what I don't like, because we at the bottom, but almost at the equilibrium of direction. So for me personally, it's bearish. Bearish markets more. Weekly, of course, we're in capitulation zone, but monthly still in some kind of like a free zone. There is a lot of news now around the Starknet, BTC staking. It's a good narrative, good marketing stuff, good product, good service. Also, the Starknet partnership with Zcash. So for long run, yes, I believe Starknet can reach $1 again. I'm not chill, guys, any talking, just technical side, just like speculation, what I can see on the chart. And if we will pump to the $1, it will be not because the Starknet is so good. It will be just because of speculation of the whales. Technically, daily, it's a disbelief, so it's bullish. The money power, guys. Some money inflow was here December 1st, 11 cents. Weekly, no money inflow. Some money inflow was here February, some 25. So after almost a year, I will be happy if we'll see some money inflow here again. Got it. Monthly, we at the bottom. So this is one more reason personally for me. So it's not time to out. Time to out will be at the top of money power indicator. I'll recommend you just add alert. Also, one alert I already added on trade on. This one, I add alert, take profit signal on the daily, because on many tokens what I posted in recent videos, you saw. So we got like signals to sell. Some signal was 3 days before the Donald Trump dump. Some was in June. And after that, we saw their money back. So signal take profit. So we need to close all short position. But on Starknet, we didn't see. Sell, drop, buy back, sell, sell. Nothing. Even on a 12 time frame. We need to see this one. So here. But on the daily and 12 time frame, sell, 4 time frame, drop, money back. So we need to close our short position and flip to long. Buy, take profit from buy, sell, take profit from sell, buy. So you understand the logic, right? Of course, you can't trade only with the trade on indicator. You need to work in a complex, but I add my alert and I wait my alerts for that one, for the Starknet. Take a look there. And the take profit indicator I showed you. So guys, so this is my idea. I will share this idea on TradingView. I hope I'm wrong and we will not drop to 7 cents and we skip rocket to the moon from current prices. But guys, we work with reality and we have to build a plan. Plan after the fact can be right or wrong. I hope you like this video. Write please in a comment what do you think about a Starknet in general. If you'd like to trade as my customer, because I will show it in this video, it's right medium. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.